Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to write a proper self-introduction. Suppose my name is Anika Roy. I will tell you some information in this introduction and I hope you will change it into your information. So let's get started. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. And it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Anika Roy. I am 18 years old. I am from Siliguri. Let me tell you about my schooling. I studied at Siliguri Girls High School. I completed my junior college education from Siliguri City College. And now I am here to complete my graduation in this college. I am very excited and happy to be here. My parents are the pillars of my strength. My favorite subject is social science. My hobbies are reading books, drawing, and gardening. My goal is to become an IPS officer and serve my nation. Confidence and good communication skills are my strength. That's all about me. Thank you very much.